So, unless you have the old style spinning this electricity meter or electric consumption meter, whatever you want to call it, then you probably have something very similar to this. Yeah, there's only so much variation in things that do the same job. The thing is, meter shows you the total consumption, 40,526 is in kilowatt hours, and it's the number of kilowatt hours which has been clocked since the day they installed this thing. So ever since, there should be like a date somewhere, but I don't see it. Yeah, year 2011. So in 10 years, this thing clocked 40,000 kilowatt hours. It's really easy to confuse the two units, and even technical types will often say kilowatts when they actually mean kilowatt hours. While the former is a representation of power, the latter is a representation of power in the use over a period of time. So if you have, let's say, an electric heater rated for 2 kilowatts, then by leaving it running for 1 hour, you will have used 2 kilowatt hours. So that is 40 mega. Oh, big brain time. Well, about the only thing it shows you is the tariff, because you can have, at least here in Europe, or I think it's like that in most of the Europe, you can have two tariffs, the high tariff and low tariff. And if your home uses electricity for heating purposes and for heating up water, then you can apply for the low tariff, and in that case, throughout a portion of the day, you use electricity which is slightly cheaper. However, in this case, we only have the high tariff, since we don't use it for water heating anymore, and electric heaters, mobile electric heaters, do not count, and we have total consumption about 10 to 12 kilowatt hours per day, so we cannot apply for the low tariff. Anyway, besides the total consumption since the date installed and the tariff, it pretty much doesn't show you anything useful. There's this blinking light, and if I'll try to focus, yeah, there it shows that 10,000 impulses, that's 10,000 blinks of this LED, means that you clocked 1 kilowatt hour. And well, that's pretty useless. Unless you want to sit here and count the blinking light, which I suppose none of you wants to do. So I was thinking, now, wouldn't it be nice if you could just read out how much power you're using at the moment? There would be no need for power meters which go into a power socket anymore, right? But all they ever give you is just a flashing red light. Now, of course, you could count the time between the two flashes of the LED, then find out how many of those intervals will fit into 1 hour, and divide that by the number of intervals or impulses which constitute 1 kilowatt hour on your electricity meter, and of course that will give you your momentary power draw in kilowatts. But good luck with the technique above about 0.5 kilowatts, because at that point, at that rate, the LED is going to flash about 1.5 times per second, and unless you're some kind of eagle-human hybrid with superhuman, super fast eyes, there's just no way you could measure such short intervals accurately enough. And then it struck me. Of course, human being cannot possibly react so quickly, but any computer can. Any electronics, basically. And I thought I might record the flashing red LED, then analyze the video and count the frames between two flashes and to do it this way. But long story short, there's already an app for that. The app is called Smart Metering and it's available through the Play Store. It was built originally for Android 5 and newer OSs might give you a warning prompt. But on my Android 10 Xiaomi Redmi 7 it works just fine. And basically all you have to do is to point a camera at the blinking light, hit the on button, and the app does all the math for you. Now hold on, not so fast. Of course, some fine-tuning will be necessary. First of all, you'll need to calibrate the camera for the ambient light levels. My procedure is to put the camera as close to the LED as possible and watch the values in the main menu of the app. You will see the intensity value jumping from the ambient level to LED up level. Choose a value somewhere between these two values and set it as the threshold value.
That way, the app's stopwatch will trip only when the LED is in the up state. That way, the app's stopwatch will trip only when the LED is in the up state.
You might also want to check how many pulses is 1 kilowatt hours on your electricity meter, and if the value is the same in the app. In my case, it wasn't. Meter says 1 kWh is 10,000 pulses, but the app's default is 1 kilowatt hour equals to 1,000 pulses. You can also choose how many intervals the app should measure. The default is 2. 0 means continuous measurement. Once everything is set up correctly, the app will do its thing and measure your momentary power draw from the grid. In this case, it was about 0.430 kilowatts, or 430 watts at a time, which is about right considering the fact that the only devices running at the time were my flat-screen TV, my fish tank setup, and the computer. The TV is about 50 watts. The fish tank is a 27-watt LED rig, 20-watt heater, 20-watt filter, and a 14 to 20-watt air pump, so everything is under 100 watts in total. That leaves us with about 300 watts for the computer, which has a 650 watt PSU because I wanted to make extra sure my video card won't unnecessarily stress the older and less powerful PSU I originally had. But still, the typical power draw will be ranging from 300 to 400 watts. Now, if you find this video interesting, then definitely hit the like button below and hit subscribe and stay DIYing and live out the fronty way.